Welcome to Changfied YouTube channel, your trusted source for latest updates across South Sudan and beyond. Today we bring you important updates from across South Sudan, including security operation, political accountability, crime cases, party leadership change, and court development. These stories affect ordinary citizens, especially during this difficult economic time and as the Christmas and New Year celebration approach. Before we begin this report, please, I would like you to tap the channel by subscribing and turn on the notification bell so whenever we upload a new video, you can be notified. Do not forget to like, share to our families. Let's begin our report with the first story. According to the report, nearly 200 youths arrested in Kuajok. Authorities in Warab State have arrested nearly 200 young people suspected of being involved in criminal gang activities in Kuajok, the state capital. The arrest happened during a security operation launched this week. According to state officials, the goal of this operation is to restore safety and order, especially as people prepare to celebrate Christmas and New Year. Why the operation started? The Minister of Information in Warab State, Machar, explained that security forces receive many complaints from residents. These complaints included phone snatching, theft, robbery, violence, fight using knife and other weapons. Most of these crimes were reported around Kuajok Market, a busy area. Because of this report, security forces decided to act. Number of arrests. During the operation, authorities arrested 191 young people suspected of involvement in criminal activities. The minister said the operation was not meant to punish innocent people but to protect the community. He said the government wants people to feel safe while moving freely in town. What happened to the arrested youths? Authorities separated the suspect into two groups: underage youths and adult suspect. The underage youths were taken to Safe Care Center. These centers are managed under the Ministry of Gender, Child and Social Welfare. The adult suspect remain in police custody and will face legal procedures, disciplinary action according to the law. The minister called on residents of Kuajok to cooperate with security forces, share information about crime, support peace and order. The security operation is still ongoing. Let's move on to second top story. Parliament question traffic rules. According to the report, South Sudan National Parliament has raised serious concern over new traffic rules and fees introduced by traffic police. Lawmakers say these rules are illegal, unfair, and heavy burden on citizens. So what seemed to be the problem? Members of Parliament say the new traffic measures were introduced without approval from Parliament. They accuse the traffic police leadership of changing rules on their own, introducing new fees, and ignoring existing laws. Let's look at new fees and rule changes. Some of the controversial changes include new charge for driving tests, a requirement for a driving test certificate even for licensed drivers, shortened renewal period for driving licenses, annual renewal of vehicle logbook, which Parliament had already abolished. Strong reaction from lawmakers. Members of Parliament, MP Jail Tau from Mayom County, accused traffic authorities of using these rules to collect money unfairly from citizens. He said forcing licensed driver to retake tests every 6 months is against the law. Parliament Speaker speaks. The Speaker of Parliament, Jema Nunu Kumba, also strongly criticized the situation. She said, citizens are already suffering. New rules are being added almost every day. Parliament must approve all revenue collection. She reminded the country that vehicle logbook should be permanent, driving license should be renewed every 5 years. She ordered the Minister of Interior to appear before Parliament and explain. Third story. According to the report, women arrested for stealing 2 newborn babies. Police in northern Barghazal state have arrested a woman accused of stealing 2 newborn babies in Awil. According to the report, the babies were later found safe in Wau, western Barghazal state. The detail of the case: the suspect is identified as Awa Karinga Asen, a resident of Wau. Police say she targeted 2 mothers whose babies were only 19 days old, 18 days old. So how the crime happened? According to police, the woman told the mother she worked with an organization helping breastfeeding women. She convinced them to take photos for documents. She stayed behind with the babies. When the mother left, she fled with the babies on a motorcycle. Police acted quickly. They tracked her to Wau, arrested her, recovered the babies, returned them safely to their mothers. Investigations are ongoing and the suspect will face legal action. Our fourth story. Governor Adil sworn in as SPLM chairman. According to the report, the governor of Central Equatorial State, Emmanuel Adil Anthony, has officially been sworn in as SPLM chairman in the state. The ceremony took place at the SPLM National Secretariat in Juba. Message from SPLM leadership. Vice President Dr. James Waniga urged Governor Adil to focus on agriculture, road construction, education, peace and unity, ending cattle raiding, fighting gender-based violence. Governor Adil's promise. In his speech, Governor Adil promised to work with party members, strengthen peace, promote unity, support democratic values. Then move on to our fifth top story. Police promise safe Christmas this year. The National Police Service has assured citizens that security will be strong during the festive season. Let's look at the security plan. Police spokesperson Major General James Monday Inoka says security forces will be deployed nationwide. Major cities and highways will be covered. Citizens should celebrate without fear. He admitted challenges but said public safety remains the top priority. Let's move on to one of the top news called ear testimony linking Dr. Machar, the first vice president, to Nasir attack. This is very important message. According to the report, a prosecution witness has testified in court, claiming that Dr. Machar was involved in planning the Nasir attack. What the witness said: First Lieutenant Mohammed Ahmed Jidu, a survivor of the attack, told the court that Dr. Riek Machar allegedly spoke by phone with fighters. The call happened one day before the attack. The attack targeted an army garrison in Nasir. The event that leading to the attack. The witness described rising tensions, army meetings, movement of fighters, 2 attacks on the garrison. He said many soldiers were killed, wounded, or trapped. The trial continues. Dr. Machar and others face serious charges including murder, treason, crime against humanity. And that brings us to the end of today Changfied Daily News Update. Please subscribe, like, and share this video. Your support keep independent news alive. Biya Kamal, Bantin kon lat Korean manakaling, rewik ka South Sudan, te kon kalere, te bom, te very important, te baran palping kaliang ko de randa roda kebeka kamanan le roda. Lere nyambanaling, Changwen te shop kudangro, chaka kef, darashal ka Kuajok. Jiku metintere wika warab state, chicken ngwane te tieni, te shop kudangro chicken ka kef. Ti chala do kan let kan ti jek lo children jako ke gang ne ke lat ke ti children lot rewika Kuajok gen state capital chaga kep chaga yen kap ke gwani machi security ke de ni chare ralekan wo bikan wedian bukan raleka akan new year kan naben jan jokome cha police ni are raleka dan yayo jak gwada danente ngwan teketen. Operation is carried out there. Wagur kano binat bikan go to restore safety. Kano bini dial buku dop kel bikan lot. Kan Christmas kan New Year kan shop. Go kan wanen titian de charge kan wakan te reject wan let kan ka. Minister of Information man ka Warab State. Mamer bat chala do nena jani cha security force cha kan ngwadamo ko chene te control resident chika complain ki kan lado kan mike ka kan complain ti chika lado nena talpone ken gop ka ka kwishore kan etun kon la na tulga duli ka nyo yet kana re ka ngamne ka doy kana ba ka te ko ken no kan neti ti lat ke dijekti ke crime ni tingo kana commit lar ka doro chol ka Kuajok market lar ka re market ka market midit michetiang kana ke busy area ko jan kwa ka ngwaka kongna to chichur yare laten no la mai kene to konen be koka ka werbo kana tulduli chikumi gan chuo chikan wan roy gan kap akan Christmas akan naben so jo me shalat am de yente kalieng ten kan de konen cha yen ke wan de tiene chikan la no pek nente cha kap kan nyam kan de koru jen mongon de kel de kan dial ke young people de chala do kan ke suspect ti charen mat ka duere kon lat ke criminal activities ka Kuajok re wishin winimi she minister shalado nena ba ka kef ke chatan ja ke already but she ba ka moy kare ke ba punish but gorko bikan do bikan a lot kan ne de ti chaka da karew ne den kono ngut ka kwa kan ne de kono ci dit ne de ngut ka kwa chala ka self care center lo book they have to go under Minister of Gender, Child and Social Welfare kan ti kwini kan ko ba ko lo duop ndan de wu kaje ne ko ken gwasme bala ne ti dit wa ba kan nan ka court ba ko lukko ne to shi dit ngum net ken je ga jam ko ci ka ne dit report me jeri for the channel ka queen enten contin like criminal re which bin mi nyu do kana no ka Christmas ne tin kon nyon ka which la ka de la kap ka wana kaler do dien members of parliament ke parliament chicken teach taken traffic rules ngoten kontin la nying torbiele re wiki juba South Sudan National Parliament take a serious question that you can get teach wa cha yo cha ga nyoko mure ko ka la new traffic rules wa yu chikan karep kan traffic police chilo ma kore ke jongwon ni tin la members of parliament kan man chalat ne ko la traffic rewi ke juba kan mi shale illegal o mekan do latta kan ngaje kume mar dien kan unfair telefare katin ko yur ko ne kan karef anyoka wa chikan ajmu dilun chikan lat kan ko la citizen ko chaga de lon kam yura ka fin so ko kujemo cha dan la queer traffic jay show no ben ka parliament ba je question re gene kani an members of parliament jo you can lat kani de ti review ne kin new traffic rules ke major kana kan wa kana approved the parliament so we can lelka widian kan topic police leadership chikana jogo no mishala da kwinne ano shiru le shika ger ke ngot chi yuti jidian che nyok mu yoro ka pin ka chi ngote cha yat pin no walten kuna le yen ga ka chika pel ko te ngode yari alka already to kwala gore ka bat chi gore mo ka ngot ken so antama mi chi dor cha to gono jojo no chineri ti daram me cha je cholakan gana jogo no ber bi blatte ka a new fees kan rule ten cha change kan ten ngwad mena wa cha new charge ke you to jidin to ba yor ka pinya rami mo mu gorger la driving test mun ba kan te yor yare la ka kan anyok bo an ran gorge jeno be te ka driving test certificate mi cha on ga jen go jen cha fa ano kan license driver ba rawto beke takaran anyok ne ti chikan nin ke run tun baran nyaka on ka jam shang che pat bo chi gar chi ngaj chikan run ga chikan ga yot pin ke pat ka la driving license renewal period no mi che expert and then chi ka nin chikan ga yot pin mo wa tetere ngona ba nyok bo mi sha Allah bok bon chikan nyok mi chika rule mi jidit chikan ga ala ka bo ci parliament ci kana gujino na me ci to go ko ci kana woy no wala reaction ci gol ban gwas me jene members of parliament un mishala jel taw ran ma yom kanti un wara ci la do nene ci traffic authorities ci ga gwan no rule ti dinde ti o bi kan yob kan ga collect they are using this to collect money unfairly ka citizen rule yalti o ba yo ba ga generate kan traffic ne kana new bi aran bi je force no be license be je new ke ramu mi cha mi chi pad already take a license e ko korpen dam bakal ba je nyok mo waje test nyok ba je on ga pad dam bakal kan na mani it is against law she don't want chi parliament ramda la speaker charwach honorable Jema Nunu Kumba she mission me chala do she talk you know che situation me chala do shi mungwa and terier chala gwa same traffic police leadership chaga jogo no citizen are already suffering jana na chuchkan kan ngot jidini sha yat pinten okay jaga na ka chuch ko ani shang ba ngum jidit ba yor pin cha gur mandana cha gor pin ajane and this revenue collection me badil ben ka members of parliament ba ju debate ka ba ja approved mi chene lok den ba wo janta da ni kan yat pinga ja chene dial jogo no ne an log book point jan bala permanent charge bu nyoko gere te ka ped ba ger ka je kirun ba ger ka je badil ten alam mi permanent charge jan driving license ba men ga na ga ja ba ja ger ka ko run dang die lo mishran che te run dang die ka che driver license de che expert ka run dang die to be jo renew nyok sha minister of interior cha jo do no be ben ka ngade ka parliament be men dan to be lana ni me ja leren rote ler dio dien gwat mi te ka shek mi shagat cheka pech ki do ko la ra shagat cheka kwal shek mi shega dangro chaka kwala jen banaliu dor shal kame northern bargazal state chi police ne ka chi kan shek chi kan yen chega mo wa cha je ka chaga dangro chaka kwal to pay dap anon dor shal ka wel chi police tentere we kan northern bargazal chi kan shek mo gana kaf gwade chaga kwal ten chaga cha ka ojek na ka wow ka Western Bargazal State jen gwada na chaga cha kwalten so meje to gene Ramadan kwal ga chwale awa karinga asen jena waramete we wejin chwal ka wow shi police kalaro nena wa shega me targede wa ke mandang roturwin tete gatken gadanyam te run te ke run ke pedang wel de kolar pedang wel bangwan gare do gwado me te ke pedang amin te ke nindang wel badak amen yam gadanyam nindang wel bangwan gare de te ke nindang wel badak la 19 days old kene 18 days old kan ga to ka gar tieni long ke te ka tar de kolar no chermete kan ka jongro we ka diok kan pai kan tiang so man to gene wa shega mo shana che managan che within che confused che lado jene lede ram kelko organization ni ane de konte la man la kalwa ka ko bikan gad ken bikan ka luede de no che kan mane gan che ka convince ka chutun ken chu kan bo lo dare kalwak jenta dan che lel ke je la bang na gad dong bran bo ka mam kan de konte la atla managan blorar jatan nyur ka ram kel ka organization kanamo mishina shi ga jena shi wona ka jen ga kan ne ta ga gacho lo kana gacho ga ska basket sho barro da ka sho waka motorcycle sho gacho kana and then ga kore shi man to shi ga binjigan ga dik shi ga jen then sho ga ne lar police ne sho na sho gor ga jen shi ga mama mi cha check cha jeng na ka wow cha ji yana tafa cha yana tama ka cha gara to cha ka kan ka ja cha ka man ken safely lo telari kum to ka gat la shega ma banan ka court ba the motive behind this ba jo teach ka ba jo tijino ngumi na gat ka je ki ngumi to na mo bu ko to gwa da nan man china ngwalo shuka capture ja ka fajan la no gat gore jam pa da ba je will take care not any organization especially ne ko ne la gar nan ka no biya ka accept no de kana dot ka gat kun man gat ka se fozo che gare de ban pin chang ram nga da ba chang le la ngu da ba mi che dabba dil te ka jakel cha gat cha banang araro den so ne me jana na chora lat ka man gandang ro but the good news is that chiga gat ki kan ga jak wana kala ra den ngwan den governor adil chaje kwan last film chairman governor of central Equatorial State with Michelle Amanuel Adil Anthony chaje kwan last film chairman ka jen state mon changara chaje ngar SPLM National Secretariat rewi ke juba jen che message youtube te masim ni ato ne control SPLM leadership jet ke vice president Dr. James Waniga ya governor Adil jogono ne men gwadan be focus tin jene agriculture be kag be kapor be focus boka dung road construction be focus ke education dul gorka be focus boka mal kana mat peace and unity anyok bi keter raiding bi kapchong we la ka package bona teren kon to ga kwigo bi kapchong anyok ba cha jogono jin bi fight ke kwijender base violence kwijidor la nyen ran ken shigda ke rol tala to ga jichang kana to cha jogono jin bi ka kapchong si governor Adil che promise nga che top jene bazil wak balet kel ke kan bon ke party members ba mal be jata wana be unity be je promote ka be democratic values ba be support so na mo mi to ka wana ka le radin gwasmi police chika promise ka la rewi ke juba la national police service chicken citizen ke jibu jogono na ba secure lead ba jala sray which ka juba ka jen festive season ke Christmas and be work new year police spokesperson major general James Monday Noka jen security force ke le charles let charge deployed nationwide ka kui Christmas ka kana new year especially la major cities kana highway ne wa kan godi alto ba mu ke di kan dial ko bi citizen bi kan celebration bi kan ala freely at ramimo chicken dwal chicken admit no ne na kani manyam kani public safety remain the top priority kaka ano ba juj ba ka ganga jena nyam kaka china mo kana lat kana ba they need to one ba ka deploy within Juba and within our own South Sudan. One ka lera de dien mambakalian neme ban right ka kwi look Dr. Machar very important message though baben ke another report ka kwi de banaman main point bana kalat gwasme baben ka video dien ka kwi de bachan maling according to the wiki Juba ka kwi Dr. Yang Machar ka kwi kore dana chitok Nasir jen jate karami momenen mejidit witness netin kone anong gwada danan lanin rami la first lieutenant Michelle Mohammed Ahmed Jidu Mohammed Ahmed Jidu jen wa survivor ki rami jekan gwada dan jiko je tok tere wiki Juba che jikor ke chaga lahalar te me chalar ka gonne ne dake Dr. Machar jen Dr. Machar right ke ne te konde te kor la nuer wai ami kana kuma spele mayo chela do nana jen right Dr. Machar kana ne ke akan kor kana to kan atakamo kwa targane dinten konin te ka uyara diu kana Nasir garrison jen te Dr. Machar te geten tel me chalat ko dong mi take evident nyoda no but right ni jan kata dan rajaja maradien ngai kon me dane to korga je witness jalat janen wen mo shu to ko shu inatet shunga ko to korteten chu te ke dinne la kana dole syang shwa ne de kon la jiko la yo nen ke jelkan kamach no janen ngwad mo shu ko dan ro chu to kore nyame cha we are du cha mak rew de shwa we are du cha nyom mak jom ba kula dagon janen wer mo chwa de ni wan chwa gan nak ne de wan am ka bot ka tana de charen barai torbele so jeneram kel ne de konin chero dien tawri torbele chala no bu code mo bele we ka woni am lo chayu gak chayu ne jen yam lo ba jeling kanin tinbe chajo mo chajo kwen cha ko cha chu tuguno bana nyogo jikka mandan le roda ka gwad bene ko bari pon mujidit beje no ngajen kwi case kana mane ala full report anana so jen gwadan den chongten mi jira mi jidit gwas maga Changfied gore jen wojen der subscribe ko de notification bell dit je twan ko mite mi bare gwas mande chama la chibekeji ana bana nyogo jek ka le rodien ka gwasen be men dodien dong dien lat der ande la subscribe kada notification bell der je twan der video der je like der video der je share no der ande char da ja tobe ko jen do bodanan mi channel bokolo nyam ko ja ka belere teti baga chwa non ka gwa an bana je ka le rodien biya te kamal bye bye